Hello, 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 my friends. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming here one more time to help you guys learning your letters and your ABCs. So right now, I want to show you my beautiful book. Isn't it pretty? What color is my book? My book is yellow. Can you say yellow? Mes amis, parents yo, mwen vini pour mwen faire vidéo pour nous encore parce que dernière fois, m'gon bon petit temps m'pa fait livre, m'pa fait vidéo parce que ordinateur m'pa travail. Ordinateur m'pa travail, so m'pa ka faire vidéo, te prend mon bon petit temps avant m'te réussi deviner qui j'en pour me faire l'autre façon. D'acheter un autre ordinateur, mais on connaît ordinateur pas même, et pour habituer avec un ancien, là, vient un nouveau, il pas facile pour deviner sorti qu'on fait yo. Mes amis, sont profiter en pile professeur yo dit ti moun yo pas kon alphabet yo, ti moun yo ap lutter dans l'école là pour yo kon alphabet yo, surtout parents qui dans l'école pas mieux, dit ti moun yo gon ti problème, yo pas connaît si yo comprend anglais, yo pas connaît si c'est créole seulement yo parler parce que ti moun nan lè yo parler avec même comprendre ni pas comprendre ça y a dit là. So mes amis, m'a fait livre ça yo pour nous, fait ti moun yo garder li et puis comme ça même si petit ou li nan niveau, mais montrer langue ni, montrer l'alphabet yo nan langue la kay li, et puis les professeurs montrer en anglais la capter. So, please gade vidéo tout le temps, et puis m'a fait quantité capable pour moi si nous targetant idée ti moun yo avancer vers l'avant. C'est Miss Jerome-Severe, nous aller commencer. Hello my friends, this is Miss Jerome-Severe. I am making a letter video for you. So the letter today is the letter Y. What letter is this? Y. What's the letter is this? Y. 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 This is big Y. This is little y. Yes. Y. Y. And if you see this picture right here, it's called a yo-yo. What is it? Yo-yo. Let's say yo-yo. Yo-yo. Do you hear the sound? Do you hear the sound? That's why. Why say yo-yo. Yo-yo. All right, so I am going to read the story. Now pay attention. Pay attention very carefully. Portez attention pour tout ça m'abdoulan. The author name is Lada Crafty. So she's the one that take the picture. This is a real picture. So she took the picture to show you what a yo-yo look like. And then when we finish, I'm going to teach you a song. All right? So Miss Jerome doesn't know how to sing, so you have to sing along with me, okay? So here's the story. What letter is this again? Yes, Y. Y, big Y, little y. And what is this? Yo-yo. What is that? Yo-yo. And this is a photograph. A photograph is a real picture. Okay? So this is a photograph. It's a real picture. All right, so here we go. Y say you. Y say you. Y say you. Y say you. Let's look over here. What do we have as in Y? Oh, I just told you this picture. This picture is a yo-yo. What is this picture? Yo-yo. Hold on 1 second. What is this picture? Yo-yo. So let's say it slowly. Yo-yo. Oh, you eat that one. Mommy buys it for you all the time. Let's say it. Yogurt. I didn't hear you. Yogurt. Okay. What letter is this again? Y. Y for yogurt. I can't hear you. Bakatando, répétez. Y for yogurt. Okay, let's do the other one. Y say yo-yo. Very good. So here's another picture I'm going to show you. Here we go. Wow. Okay, let's look at the letter first. What letter is this? Y. What does Y say? What does Y say? Y. And this is yellow. So let's do it. Y, y, yellow. Y, yellow. Now let's do the next one. What letter is that again? Y, y. What is this? Yawn. Y, yawn. Let's do it. Y, on. Y, on. Yawn. So Y for yawn. Y for, come on, yellow. Very good. Very good. So I'm going to show you another picture. I'm going to show you another picture of you. Oh, you ready? So, what is it? What color is his shirt? Yes, his shirt is yellow. Why? Yellow. What color is his apron? Yellow. Yellow. What color is his picture? Yellow. Yellow. What color is the paint? Yellow. Yes, yellow. So let's read it. I like yellow. Let's read it again. I like yellow. What color is that? What color is the paint? Yellow. What color is the picture, I should say? Yellow. What color is the paint? Yellow. What color is apron? Yellow. What color is his shirt? Yellow. What did he say he liked? I like yellow. So maybe we could sing a song. I like yellow, I like yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color. I like yellow, I like yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color. All right. So let's do another one. Oh, there we go. What did we say this is called? Yawn. What did we say this was called? Yawn. So let's look. Yellow, yawn. Let's do yawn. Yawn. Yellow, yawn. What is this one? Yes, his yellow shirt. Let's do yellow. Yellow, yawn. What's that word? Yellow, yawn. What does he have? Yellow, yawn. Yep, yellow, yawn. All right, let's do the other page. You ready? All right. So the next one, let's see what else that makes the you sound. Ooh, how beautiful. Have you played one of these before? It's a toy. It's called yo-yo. Yo-yo. What is this toy? Yo-yo. So let's see how many yellow yo-yo he has. He has one. And he has two. Okay, what does he have? Yellow yo-yos. What does he have? Yellow yo-yos. So let's see, what do we know so far that's yellow? We know yogurt is yellow. What else we know that's yellow? We know shirt is yellow. We know yarn is yellow. We know yo-yo is yellow. Oh, you probably like that. This is yogurt. What color is the yogurt? Yellow. And yellow yogurt. All right. Very good. So, let's see what else is yellow. You ready? How does yogurt taste? Very yummy. Yum. Oh, what does yum start with? Yum. That's mean yum mean delicious. Okay, let's like yummy. Yes. All right. So, you ready to sing my crazy song? Here we go. I like yellow. I like yellow. You have to repeat after me. I like yellow. I like yellow. Yellow yarn, yellow yarn, yellow yo-yos, and yellow yogurt, Yellow yogurt, yum, 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 yum. So what are some things what's some in the story that makes the sound? Huh? What do you remember that makes the sound? You don't remember? So okay, so let's go look at some pictures again. Let's go look some pictures again that we know that makes the yellow. Okay? Like we know yellow. What is that one? Yes, very good. Yawn. What about this one? Yellow. Very good. What about this one? Oh, nice toy. What is that toy called? Yellow. And yogurt. Very good. Anything else that makes sound? Oh, I know one. Yam. Yam. Yes, very good. Well, that is the end of the story, boys and girls. I hope you get to listen to it and then practice it all the time. Tas wete nou ede ti moun yo pratike leson sa pou yo kon Y yo, pou yo konen leson Y yo. And this is Miss Jerome Severe. You have a wonderful, blessed day.